Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to write an essay on Vallabhbhai Patel. Little pools of water tend to become stagnant and useless, but if they are joined together to form a big lake, the atmosphere is cooled and there is universal benefit. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadian city of Gujarat. His father Javerbhai was a farmer, and Vallabhbhai often joined his father in plowing and sowing seeds in the 10 acres of their ancestral land. He was brought up in Karan Sad, listening to devotional songs and stories from the epics that were narrated by his mother Ladba. He had his schooling in Nadian, Petlad and Borsad. He married at the age of 16. At the age of 22, he completed his matriculation. Hunger for study, education, and curiosity of understanding the system around him made him more dedicated towards education, and he decided to study further in England. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and also as the first Home Minister of India. He joined the country's freedom struggle and actively took part in the non-cooperation as well as the Quit India movement. He had successfully accomplished the task of integrating 565 princely states into the Union of India within a remarkably short span of time. His uncompromising efforts towards integration of the princely states to Indian Federation earned him the title Iron Man of India. He was also known as the patron saint of India's civil servants. He established the All India Services system such as Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service. He was a liberal and secular leader, respected for his effective ideology. He is known for spreading integrity and for the efforts in maintaining peace in the entire nation. He was awarded honorary doctorates by various universities, and the title Sardar, meaning a chief leader, was bestowed upon him by Mahatma Gandhi. His birth anniversary is observed as the National Unity Day each year since 2014 as a token of respect. A program named Run for Unity was flagged off in New Delhi in 2014 to celebrate the day. He died after suffering a massive cardiac arrest on 15th December 1950 in Bombay, aged 75. His love for the nation, leadership qualities, integrity, discipline, logical thoughts, and approach to resolve complex problems, organizing skills, and his significant contribution towards the development of the country will always remain as an inspiration. In 2018, on his birth anniversary, the Government of India inaugurated the Statue of Unity to pay homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.